The new WQB 4000 SOPS BGA SMT repair system combines versatility with simple operation and Vella's renowned quality. The new split optic positioning system, SOPS, ensures perfect component alignment. A semi-automated workflow plus a software system for the collection and monitoring or controlling of data simplifies the work process and allows easy and accurate reproduction of soldering processes. Using proven functionality with a patented soldering process ensures high precision and efficiency. The modular concept of WQB 4000 SOPS significantly facilitates the assembly and commissioning process. Once the unit has been assembled and the system software installed, all that is required is the adjustment of the split optic positioning system, and the WQB 4000 SOPS is then fully operational. Among the outstanding features of the profile building function are the 3 external sensor ports and the Teach-In mode software, which controls the building of the soldering profile. The system software precisely controls the various phases or stages of heat-up, the activation of the soldering operation, and the cooling cycle. 8-step temperature profile ensures that soldering and cooling is perfectly tailored to specific requirements. General comments or more detailed information about additional work operations can be saved within an individual profile. All profiles created for use on the WQB 3000 OPS can be easily adapted for use on the WQB 4000 SOPS. The division of the work area of the WQB 4000 SOPS into a hot and a cold zone prevents components from being subjected to unnecessary heat exposure. It also provides a better working environment. The WQB 4000 SOPS split optic camera positioning system ensures precise and simple component placement. An exact motorized operation results in precise spring-controlled component release. With the WQB 4000, you can put your trust in proven and patented technology, which guarantees the optimal soldering of a wide variety of components. The WQB 4000 SOPS uses state-of-the-art technology to give efficient, reliable, user-friendly operation. Innovative technical developments, application versatility and compatibility with the previous model, WQB 3000, are combined by Vela to provide continuity and flexibility.